All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be taking a look at PLTR. This is Palantir. Um, Palantir reported earnings and is down big. So we have, I'm in some puts right now in the OTT Discord in full disclosure, right? The link to join there is in the description below. You can use code Zachly for a discount to join. But anyways, these are the two support levels we need to break today for PLTR to drop even more. All right. So, if you're looking to get in on, like shorting it or getting puts, now probably isn't the best time for an entry, right? I just want to show you guys that these are some major support levels right here. All right, from our, if we're looking at the 20-day chart, our lows is 1175, and then this is also a strong support level here. That's the support level that we bounced off of this morning, pre-market right here, and then again, we tested it right here. There's a small supply zone up here. This red box essentially is what that is, and that's where, if I expect to see, if we do find some support, we could try to rally back up into here. And I think that this would be a supply zone where we would drop further again. So maybe be patient to see if we come up to here for an entry into some puts, right? That's what I would recommend. And the other thing is, none of this is financial advice. Okay, this is just me breaking down the chart and giving you guys my opinion on the chart. But if we look here on some smaller time frames, okay, it did bounce really hard at that support level, which that's kind of expected. But I'm just waiting to see, are we gonna come back up in here? And this would be a nice entry, in my opinion, somewhere in this range to get back into some puts. So I'll be looking to see if that happens. But otherwise, these two lines right here are essentially going to be my breakout levels. Once if we drop further and we break this support line right here at like right around 1203, $12, we could drop down to 1171. And if we break that, then I'm pretty sure we'd be making like, all-time lows. Yeah. So really interesting to see what happens. It gapped down really hard on the daily chart. So it is going to have a nice juicy daily gap to recover and fill. And, those gaps tend to fill about 90 to 95% of the time. So it'll be interesting to see, on a broader, longer time frame, does Palantir recover and fill this gap here quickly, or does it fall more and, make new all-time lows? So that's what we'll see. Really interesting to see what happens. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and watch this next video because I think you're going to like that one too. All right.